meters cubed. Okay, so density must be meters cubed. So when you're doing density, rho equals m over v. M must be in kilograms, v must be in meters cubed. Alright? However, when you measure volumes, it's always, well, usually measured in milliliters. Okay? So volume, normally, if you're measuring using a measuring cylinder, in milliliters or litres of some sort, which also equals centimetres cubed. But you can't just, there's a way of converting between centimetres cubed to metres cubed. You must go from centimetres cubed to metres cubed. So get it into millilitres first, and then make that equal to centimetres cubed. Now you want to make that into metres cubed. So how are we going to get from centimetres cubed to metres cubed? This is what we want to know. To do that, we need to try and think what the conversion is. To do that, we must think about what space is centimetres cubed taking up. So if we were to think of the volume, so volume in centimetres cubed, so 1 centimetres cubed, if it was 1 cm to -3, that would be equal to 1 times 1 times 1. So it would be equal to 1 centimetre multiplied by 1 centimetre multiplied by 1 centimetre. That's the volume it would take up, 1 by 1 by 1. If we wanted to, what is that in terms of metres then? Okay, so 1 centimetre is 0.01 metres by 0.01 metres by 0.01 metres. So if we were to multiply that out, what we get is 1 times 10 to -6 metres. So therefore, 1 centimetres cubed equals 1 times 10 to -6 metres cubed. 0.01 by 0.01 by 0.01 is 1 times 10 to -6 metres cubed. So whatever you have in centimetres cubed, to convert it into metres cubed, you times 10 to -6. I'll get you a correct answer. So you just multiply by 10 to -6. So for example, we have, for example then, 500 millilitres of volume. 500 millilitres of volume is going to be equal to 500 centimetres cubed, which is equal to 500 times 10 to -6 metres cubed. Now, that's not like a standard kind of conversion. It's not something that I would expect you to have in your notes. It's not like mega, giga, or kilo, whatever. This is just something you need to learn. It's 0.01 by 0.01 by 0.01. Okay? So the volume conversion, this part at the bottom here, is something I'd like you to remember. Sometimes comes up. Convert between centimetres cubed and metres cubed. Thinking about, just take it back to basics and say that's 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre, 1 centimetre. But that was converted into metres, it was 0.01 by 0.01 by 0.01. And you get that. Okay? So when you try and work out volume, make sure it's metres cubed by using this conversion to do it. Any questions? So that allows the answers to work. The ones we're doing in class work now, because you're converting between. You're not putting onto the wrong units.